Blickling Hall in Norfolk is renowned for its impressive library, one of the largest and most significant collections cared for by the National Trust. The library houses over 12,500 books, including rare and valuable volumes. The first Earl inherited the core of this collection from his cousin, Sir Richard Ellis, a noted theologian and antiquary. The books at Blickling Hall are cleaned and maintained by dedicated volunteers. These volunteers play a crucial role in preserving the collection, ensuring that the books remain in good condition for future generations. The conservation guidelines for books at Blickling Hall are designed to ensure the long-term preservation of the collection. Volunteers and staff are trained to handle books with clean, dry hands or while wearing gloves. They are taught to support the spine and avoid touching the text block directly. Detailed records are kept of the condition of each book and any conservation work that has been done. Dusting is done with soft brushes to remove surface dust gently. More thorough cleaning might involve using specialized tools and materials to avoid damaging the books.
So you've done all these books, are they all being done?
Yes, yeah. Sequentially.
How long does this take then to do?
Lifetime.
It's like the Fourth Bridge, isn't it?
Books are stored in a controlled environment with stable temperature and humidity levels to prevent deterioration. They are also kept away from direct sunlight to avoid fading and damage.
We are cleaning and checking for mould and insects, etc. So, yes, we're working our way through them. So they're, at the moment, we seem to be having a lot of geography. We've had some this morning that were the voyages of James Cook. And one of them had a map inside it, and
I don't know if I've got maps in here. But
it was sort of before he got promoted to be captain, because he's down as Lieutenant Cook.
Oh, right. So it's very interesting work then.
Oh yes, definitely, because we never know what we're going, because the books all look alike. You never know what you're going to find until you open them. So until recently we were reporting on the condition of the books, but these ones haven't been catalogued, and we're not allowed to do that with ones that haven't, so which is why we're back to cleaning.
Any necessary repairs are carried out by professional conservators. This can include mending torn pages, reattaching loose covers, and other delicate restoration work. These guidelines help ensure that the books remain in good condition and can be enjoyed by visitors for many years to come.